Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's Hot Topic. Today I want to talk to you about vitamin C. Now, I'm sure you've seen a lot of vitamin C articles and it mentioned in the news, especially with what's going on right now. But vitamin C is actually an essential vitamin, but our bodies can't produce it. So we either have to eat foods with it, supplement with it, or get it in other ways. Now, if you've been exposed to like heavy metals, smoke, toxins, super high stress levels, your body's requirement is actually a lot higher than what a normal, regular daily intake. Now, a daily intake for vitamin C is recommended 75 milligrams for women and 90 milligrams for men. Again, if you have a lot of stress, you're sick, it should actually go higher. Now, vitamin C is super important because it's good for wound healing, preventing damage to your cells, helps build collagen, produces neurotransmitters, it boosts your immune system, and it can fight off some infections and cancer. Like I said, they've done some really cool research. So vitamin C, you can find it in healthy foods like citrus fruits, like oranges or grapefruits. You can also find it in their juice. So red and green peppers, broccoli, strawberries, Brussels sprouts. Those are the more common foods that have high doses of vitamin C. But you can also get it from dietary supplements, which you can get like oral tablets, chewable tablets, extended release tablets, which I prefer the extended release, one, because I know how much I'm actually getting, and two, I'm getting that vitamin C throughout the rest of the day. Now, vitamin C is also available by prescription through an injection. So you can't just go into Walmart, Walgreens, whatever, and just ask for an injectable. And this is good if you need like a quick super boost of vitamin C. So you're sick, you have cancer, you have vitamin C deficiency. Those are all really good things and a good reason for vitamin C why you would do it intravenously. It's not like something that you would do every day. It's just kind of a temporary thing because you need an extra boost of vitamin C. Now, again, like vitamin C, it helps boost our immune system because it helps our white blood cells, which are for infection. They can function more effectively. They also can strengthen your skin's defense system and helps your wound healing faster so this bad stuff can't get inside of our system. Now, going back to what vitamin C deficiency is, it's actually super rare, but the technical term or the medical term is called scurvy. If you have scurvy, you'd have like swollen and bleeding gums, fatigue, poor wound healing, joint pain, loose teeth, colored spots in your skin. Think of a pirate. The pirates probably had a lot of scurvy because they were on boats. They didn't have a lot of vitamin C or foods with it. They were out in the sun. So just think of a pirate. So if you have scurvy, you're just a pirate. That's typically what you think. So now vitamin C, again, has a lot of general things. So just kind of a recap, it's good for general health, immune function. It's good for reducing your blood pressure. It can protect you against gout attacks, improves your iron absorption, boosts your immunity, boosts your antioxidant level, and it's actually been shown to decrease the potential dementia risk. So vitamin C does a lot of really cool things. But remember, our bodies can't make vitamin C, so you need to make sure you're supplementing it either with the right foods, supplements, or you get a prescription for IV injection to give you an extra super boost of vitamin C. That's all I have for you guys this week. I will see you guys next time.